Erythritol, a commonly used sugar substitute found in Truvia and Splenda and used in a variety of low-calorie, low-carb products, has been linked to worrisome cardiovascular episodes according to just-released research done at the Cleveland Clinic. The study published yesterday in Nature Medicine found that among 4,000 participants in the U.S. and Europe, those with higher blood erythritol levels were at an elevated risk of experiencing a major cardiac event such as heart attack, stroke, or death. We sought advice from cardiologist Dr. Emily Lau at Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, who said these results have raised alarm bells in the cardiovascular community.
We have seen that metabolites can certainly increase clotting and platelet hyperactivity, which we've seen in this paper. And I do think that what was very compelling about this study in particular is that they had a very small study where they actually administered erythritol to patients, saw that their blood levels were about 1,000 times higher than their baseline levels, and also measured their platelet reactivity and saw that the platelet reactivity was in fact higher after the consumption of erythritol, which is, again, the study was very small, but it really does suggest that we really need to be looking a little bit deeper into stevia, for example, and other artificial sweetener compounds to better understand what is their influence on clotting risk. Are there other cardiovascular effects that we're not aware of long term?
Further research is needed into the health risks of all artificial sweeteners, but consumers need to be careful in the meantime and take advice from their doctors.
Yeah, it always surprises me, even as a cardiologist, how often there are either food substances or other compounds that are actually widely available that have not been rigorously studied. I would say there have been some conflicting data previously that suggested perhaps both in animal models and in small human studies that actually artificial sweeteners might have been beneficial. So there is some debate in the field, and certainly I think this study is going to open up the opportunity for us to really try to answer these questions. As to why it took so long, I think sometimes it just takes a while in science to be able to get our hands on the data to be able to ask these important questions.